First of all, go to File and choose New. Here select the custom file size of 1920 1080 pixels. Also change the background color to white and hit Create. Now go to File and choose Open. Here select all of the source images, hit Open. In this Open lemon named window, take the Move tool and move this lemon to our main window. Hit Ctrl T for transform. Hold the Alt button and increase the lemon like this. Hit Enter. Now move the sliced lemon to our main window. Hit Ctrl T for transform options. Then resize and position the sliced lemon like this. Hit Enter. Now take the quick selection tool and select this layer like this. Then hit Delete. Also hit Ctrl D for deselection. Take the eraser tool and erase the layer edges like this. Now move the water picture to our main window. Hit Ctrl T for the transform option. Resize and rotate the picture like this. Hit Enter. Now hold the Ctrl button and hit on the sliced lemon layer. Then take the eraser tool and erase the water like this. Go to Select and hit the Deselect option. Also erase the outside of the sliced lemon. Now move these fishes to our main window. Hit Ctrl T for transform options. Hold the Alt button and decrease the layer size like this. Hit Enter. Also decrease the opacity to 70%. Select the water layer. Take the eraser tool. Decrease the flow percentage to 10. Set the hardness to 20%. Then make this layer transparent like this. Now we need to add shadows. Select the bottom background layer. Take a new layer. Select the brush tool. Make sure our foreground color is black. Set hardness to 0%. Then turn this brush into shadows like this. Now is the time to see the final result.